Hi everyone, in this lecture we will apply our filter function on dictionary. So here I have a dictionary and this is the problem statement. So we need to remove all these none values here. As you can see, we have 1, 2 and 3 none values, and then we need to remove the outlier. So you can consider this a small, very small data set, and in this data set value 4 is my outlier because as you can see in this pattern, every value is between 0 to 1000, but here the value of this value 4 key is 6328, which is obviously an outlier. So we need to remove none values, and then we need to remove outliers, and we will solve this problem with the help of a filter function. So without further discussion, let's start coding. So here let's divide this problem into steps. So in step 1, I'm going to remove the none values, okay? And then in step 2, I'll remove the outliers, okay? So let's solve the step number 1. So first of all, let's create here a new dictionary variable, new dict, okay? And just call the filter function filter filter. And now first of all, we need to make here our filter medium. So I'm going to use lambda function. I'm not going to define a regular function. Okay, so you can convert lambda to regular function by your own self for your practice, but I'm not going to do it. So just write here lambda lambda. So we are going to access all the items of this dictionary, so this lambda is going to accept our item each time, okay? And then I'll check whether the value of the item is none or not. So if it is none, I'm not going to add it in the new dictionary. So here I'll say if this item and element number 2. So keep in mind that our dictionary.items method return our items in form of a list. Inside that list we have tuples, and in each tuple we have keys and then the values. So basically dictionary.items will return me a tuple each time, which I'll receive right here in this item variable, and then I'm accessing the second item of that tuple using the index of second element, which is obviously 1. Then I'll check that if the value is none, then I'm not going to add it. So I have applied here this not equals to none. So if this condition is true, this means that our value is an integer, and then I'm going to add it in this new underscore dictionary. Otherwise I'll skip it, okay? And then just put comma, sorry, not colon, and just call here dictionary underscore dot items, okay? So now everything will make sense. And after this, let's print our new dictionary. So again, if you remember, this is going to print the dictionary object, so dict. So I just need to convert it to dictionary, so just pass this new underscore dictionary variable to dict, okay? And now we will get our required output, so let's run it. Yeah, and we got our new dictionary, and here as you can see there is no none value. So we have completed our step number 1. We have successfully removed the none values. Now in step number 2, we are going to remove the outlier. So here as you can see, this is our outlier. So I'm going to write here something like final underscore dictionary. Okay, so this is going to be our final dictionary, and I'll say filter. And again, we need to make a logic here, so I'm going to use lambda function in this case as well. So lambda lambda, and again I'll say item, and I'll access the value of each item. So just write here item, and then the index of value is 1. And now I'll apply here a condition that if the value is less than 1000, then I'm going to add it in this final dictionary. If this condition is not true, then I'm telling the Python interpreter to skip it. So just write here 1000. Oops, well, not 100, 1000, and just type here new underscore dictionary. Okay, not the previous dictionary underscore, because if you write here dictionary underscore, you will get error, and the reason is that here we have these none values. So first you need to remove these none values, and then you need to remove the outliers. So new underscore dictionary dot items. Okay, so just copy this print function, just paste it beneath this line, and instead of new dictionary, just write here final dictionary. Okay, let's run it. Oops, we got an error, and the reason is that this new underscore dictionary is an object, so we need to convert this object to dictionary first. So I think instead of converting it right here for just this print function, I'll convert it right here. Okay, so just pass this whole line which is returning us the object to dictionary. Okay, so just write here dish, and now I think this will work. So let's run it, and now we got our answer. So here, as you can see, we got our new dictionary, and this dictionary does not have none values and any outliers. So I hope that you have enjoyed this lecture, and in the next lecture we will discuss map function, and I'll see you there. Bye bye.